Welcome back. It's art time class. Hi. Can you say hi? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Today I'm joined by my helper, and we're going to be doing some coloring techniques with you. This time, we're only using the color green. Let's check it out. So here is our page, and here are all of our color greens. So we have markers, we've got some twistable crayons, some twistable color pencils, and I use twistable, especially with him, since he is so strong. He could break a crayon pretty easily. I'm sure you guys could break crayons pretty easily, and color pencils, he could break them. They're a little fragile. So I've got these twistables that I got at a garage sale. Really good find on these. Really enjoy them. And then I got these markers I got at the local dollar store. So really good find on these guys here, and we're going to be using them just to color different ways. So there's the value when you go from dark to light. So like this marker is dark, this marker is light in color, and the value of green.
Hi.
There's ways to, yeah. Look, you got your hat on. I'm so impressed with him. He put his hat on. You can color little lines with thicker lines. Now you did some lines earlier going up and down like this. I'm going to add on to that. Oh, thank you, honey. No. Oh, you want it back. I really love these lines you added, sweetie. Here, do you want to add some more? I think it's this marker for it. I like this. It has that triangle edge, so you can get those thick, thin. You hold it up at the point. So it's up to you to really think about how you're holding your marker when you're using it. You want a thick or a thin line? You want to do some? Yeah? Okay. All right, I'm going to leave it to you. Here's the lid. He's trying to take the lid off. And then I like these crayons very, very much. I can twist a lot out and color with the side if I need to. Which is a great technique. I can twist him back up. Yeah! It looks so good on you. Yeah. Ooh. These curved ones over here. He's so distracted by himself in the video. In his hat. You like it so much, huh? You can see yourself. Okay. With a darker color. I really love having these darker colors. Different shades mixed together. Now, I definitely recommend crayons or color pencils when you're mixing in different shades of color. For markers, you get this really nice separation of color. Markers are really good for a pop of color. Honey, get you back in there. There you go. You're rolling now. He's just so strong. Right. But yeah, so markers, really good for a pop of color. Crayons, color pencils, really good for blending. What do you think? Do you like it? I like this. I like this movement. This back and forth movement. Let's try that. Oop, oop. With purpose. Not crazy, with purpose, honey. Oh. You don't have the other papers. I'm going for different plant types here. You want to try a different crayon? You want to try a different marker? Nope. No. Take a break. Hold on, take a break. Breathe with me. Take a break, honey. Take a break. There you go. Yeah. You want to try this one? You want to try that one? Try. How fun are you? You having fun? You gotta turn it around. Oh, wait, turn it around. Rotate. Rotate. Turn around in your hand. There you go. Now try. There you go. I love how crayons and markers will work together to really pop. So it's something I really want you guys to go ahead and practice with. We're going to try it again on an activity in April. Take a light colored crayon, like a white, a yellow. This is like a bright green. And I wrote the word plants. Let's write the word grow up here at the top. When you do this, press down hard. You can write a secret message if you do a white crayon on white paper. It's pretty fun. And then on top, you're going to use a marker. And you go back and forth. I also recommend a highlighter. A highlighter can also look really, really cool. And so yeah, here's our paper. Thanks for coloring with me, honey. As he hides all of the green crayons, I think that's going to be our stopping point. You want to hide the rest for me? Go ahead. Yeah, hide them in there. Yay! Yay! Till next time, class. Keep being creative. Bye. Bye. Bye.